Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to Coinbase in 2026. Do you want to connect your PayPal to Coinbase? This is the fastest way and easiest way to do it. So let's follow these few simple steps together. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling and transferring and storing cryptocurrency. And to be able to do that, you're gonna go to coinbase.com and make sure you sign in with your account by clicking on the sign in button. Once you sign in with your account, or if you don't have an account already, you can click on sign up and create an account. Then to add the PayPal to Coinbase, you're gonna go here. And then the first thing you wanna do is to open the Coinbase app or go to the Coinbase website and log into your account. After that, you're gonna go to payment method. Once you find the payment method, you're gonna tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select the settings. Now in the settings, you're gonna go to the payment methods. After that, you're gonna click on add payment method, as you can see here. And then you can add an account. For example, from this menu, you're gonna choose the PayPal option. You're gonna select PayPal from the list of available options. Then you're gonna log into PayPal and you'll be redirected to log into your PayPal account. After that, you're going to enter the PayPal email and password, then approve the connection. Now once connected, you'll see PayPal listed under your payment methods. And that's it. You're ready to use it for deposits and withdrawal. As you can see here. And that's it. That's how you add PayPal to Coinbase. Make sure the name on your PayPal account matches your Coinbase account. If it doesn't, the connection may fail. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.